Okay. So, Arya, can you show me the glass?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Yeah. So, what have you mixed in that?
Wheat.
Okay, wheat and water. Wheat, right? Wheat flour and
Yes,
water.
miss.
Yes. So, when you mix wheat flour and water, did it get mixed thoroughly?
No.
No, it does not get mixed thoroughly. You can still see there is some amount of wheat left, right? At the bottom.
Yes, miss.
Yes. And what about Shraddha? Can you show me your glass? When you mixed the, keep the glass as it is, Arya, for some time. Let's compare. Shraddha, can you show me your?
Yes, miss.
So what did you add it?
Miss salt.
Salt with the water, right? Salt added and
Yes.
then salt completely got mixed. Can you see salt particles inside?
No, miss.
No, it is completely got mixed. So the solution, this is called as a solution. So this is the definition of solution. Whenever you add solute to the solvent, whenever it is getting mixed completely, it is called as a solution, as well as it is a, you can say, example of homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is what? Whenever the solute is completely mixed with the solvent, it forms a solution. Okay, whenever solute is completely mixed with the solvent, it forms solution. अब श्रद्धा के पास जो है वो solution है homogeneous solution, and this is आर्या के पास जो है वो heterogeneous solution है, heterogeneous mixture है. I'm sorry, it is not a solution, heterogeneous mixture, and this is homogeneous mixture. Now you can see clearly the difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Clear? So in the homogeneous, the solute completely dissolves in the solvent, and in heterogeneous mixture the solute does not dissolve. Okay, so this is the homogeneous mixture and this is the heterogeneous mixture. These are the two different concepts. Any doubt till here? Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture.
No, miss.
Understood? Shraddha, kuch doubt hai?
No, miss. No doubt.
Okay, and one more concept we studied, that is a concentration and dilute. Okay, now concentration, one more experiment we did, that initially we added 1 tablespoon of salt in 1 glass of water, right? And then we added 3 tablespoons of salt in 1 glass of water. Which one was more salty? Arya, you also have done that experiment?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have that glass as of now?
Yes, miss.
Can you show? You can keep the two glasses
Yes.
together also, so you also can understand what is the difference. Yes, yes, you can see the difference in between the two things. Can you see? It is a clear solution and this is not a clear solution. Now when we add 1 tablespoon of salt, is it more salty? Or when we add 3 tablespoon of salt in the same amount of water, then it is salty? When it is salty?
When
Yes,
we
miss.
add 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons. So that solution will be called as concentrated solution. Okay, that solution will be called as concentrated solution. And जो कम salty है, that will be called as a dilute. मतलब क्या? Solute की amount जिसमें ज्यादा है, the amount of solute present more will be a concentrated solution. Okay, जिसमें solute की amount कम है उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Dilute solution. Did you understand? Concentrated and dilute. What is the concentrated? जिसमें solute amount is more. What is a dilute? जिसमें solute amount is less. जैसे तुम solute की amount बढ़ा रहे हो, तुम salt 3 tablespoon, 5 tablespoon, it will go on more and more salty. So here we are just dealing with the solute thing. Solute के concentration के ऊपर we are doing the concentrated and dilute solutions. Okay, so what is a concentrated solution? In which the solute amount is what? More or
More.
less? Solute amount is
More.
More. Very good. And dilute will be what? In which solute amount is
Less.
Less.
right? So this is called as the concentrated and dilute solutions. Any doubt till here? We have done new definitions. That is the homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, then the solution, then solvent, solute, concentrated solutions, and dilute solutions. All the terms are clear. Solute and solvent is also clear. Any doubt in that? What is a solute when we are making a salt and water solution? So what is a solute in that?
Solute is the salt.
Very good. And what is a solution?
Solution is the mixture of both.
Solution is the mixture. And what is a solvent? Shraddha, can you tell now?
Yes, miss. Water.
What is a solvent?
Miss, solvent is a water.
Perfect. The one in which it is dissolved will be called a solvent. The one who is dissolved is a solute. And whatever is formed or whatever is made out of mixing them is called as a solution. Clear these three topics? Any doubt in this
Yes.
concept?
No, miss.
Okay. Okay.